Hey, welcome back to IdeaPlex, the place where creators, entrepreneurs, and curious minds turn ideas into content machines. Today, we're diving into a platform that lets you create full-on talking head videos using nothing but a photo and text. No camera, no mic, just VisionStory AI. We'll test its features, pricing, and whether it's worth your time. Stick around, because by the end, you might ditch your video editor altogether. VisionStory is like the Canva of AI videos. Upload a picture, your face, your cat, your favorite NPC. Type a script, pick a voice, and the AI makes it talk. Lips move, face emotes, voice syncs. It even has different emotions, languages, accents, you name it. You can make content with over 200 voice styles. That's wild. Bring your images to life with AI-powered talking videos. From rich facial expressions and lifelike movements to 30+ language support, HD video quality, voice cloning, green screen effects, and beyond. Create videos that captivate and inspire. You can explore how any photo can become an interactive AI streaming host, combining lip sync, natural expressions, and body languages, and multilingual chat for a captivating live experience. You can also do a video podcast, is an enhanced version of a traditional audio podcast that brings your content to life with engaging visuals. It not only delivers audio, but also uses dynamic visuals to create a production quality viewing experience. Most AI video tools feel robotic, but VisionStory AI nails two things: emotion and control. Plus, it's not just about talking heads. You get pro features like green screen effects, multilingual voices, voice cloning. But here's the catch. The free plan is super limited. To unlock HD or 10-minute videos, you'll need premium. More on pricing later. Alright, so let's walk through exactly how to use VisionStory AI from the moment you log in. First things first, head to VisionStory.ai and sign in. And sign. You can use Google, email, and password. Once you're in, you're dropped into this dashboard. Let me break it down. This is your main workspace, the AI video tab. Everything you need to make a talking head video is right here. On the left, you've got your characters section. This is where you can either upload your own image, great if you want to, clone yourself, or generate an AI image with VisionStory's built-in face generator. And below that, you've got a bunch of preset characters to choose from. These are stock avatars you can use instantly. On the right side, we've got the brain of the operation. This is where you type what you want your avatar to say. You've got a few cool tools here. Emotion selector to add tone, a tiny pause control to adjust pacing, and right below, voice selection. Here's where this gets powerful. Creators, imagine running a full faceless YouTube channel with zero filming. Educators, make course videos in your PJs. Businesses, drop a virtual spokesperson right on your website. Alright, we've picked our character. Now it's time to make them talk. Here's where the fun really begins. This is the character I've selected, rocking a flannel beanie and serious vibes. You'll see a live preview of your avatar here as you build your scene. That thumbnail below is your selected avatar. You can always swap it out if you change your mind. This is where you write the script, what you want your avatar to say. Above the script, you can set the emotion, happy, serious, sad, depending on the vibe you want. I left it neutral here for impact. Next to that, you've got a tiny but powerful tool, the +0.5's delay. It adds a pause at the beginning to make the delivery feel more natural. Now, let's talk voices. I've selected Alloy, one of VisionStory's American male voices. Sounds confident and crisp. You can preview the voice right here before locking it in. Want to go full custom? Hit clone voice and upload a sample of your own voice. It's wild. Once your audio's set, scroll down to video settings. Video model. I'm using VTalk, the default avatar animation model. Resolution. I'm keeping it at 480p since I'm on the free plan, but you can upgrade for full HD or even 1080p. Green screen toggle. Want to edit this character into another scene? Turn this on to export with a transparent background. Just note, it's a pro feature. Here I've added a dramatic line. I've walked through fire, shadows, and silence, and still I rise. This world doesn't know who it's dealing with, but it will. Yeah, we're going full on trailer mode here. Now we hit the magic button, generate talking video. It'll use your script, voice, character, and emotion settings to render a complete AI generated video. You'll get notified once it's ready. And boom, your words, their face, it's like directing a virtual actor without needing a studio, mic, or camera. Alright folks, pre-recorded videos are cool, but what if your AI character could go live? Yup. This is the AI live stream mode inside Vision Story, and it's seriously next level. This is our AI host, live and interacting in real time. You can see the live tag at the top, along with how many viewers are watching. Over here is the live chat window. This is where viewers can chat during the stream, and the AI host can even reference or respond based on its setup. This live stream feature is free during the beta. Just know, sessions are currently limited to 10 minutes. But that's more than enough to impress, connect, or experiment. So, how does this magic happen? Vision Story lets you set up a persona, a topic, and then the AI host takes over, responding live with LLM intelligence. It's like having your own digital talk show host powered by ChatGPT and deep learning magic. Imagine using this for hosting live product demos, interactive storytelling, virtual classroom, or even daily motivational talks with your custom avatar. You can define what the AI says by specifying a name, personality traits, and a topic. Each session is capped at 10 minutes for now. It's in beta and totally free. If you're a solo creator, a marketer, or just someone who wants to experiment with the future of video content, Vision Story is 100% worth trying. The free plan gives you enough to get weird with it. If this blew your mind even a little bit, drop a like. It tells the algorithm we're doing something cool here. Want me to test another AI tool? Smash that like button and comment your requests. I'll leave a link below. Try it free and tell me what you think. This is IdeaPlex. Stay curious and I'll see you in the next one.